Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Getting a basic diagnosis for a check engine light at an auto shop can cost around $100 these days. But if you are looking to save money and perform DIY fixes on your car, having a reliable and user-friendly OBD2 scanner is essential. In today's video, I will be reviewing the VDIAGTOOL VD30 Pro, which is available on Amazon for $49.99, but these days it has a 40% off coupon offer, so it will be available more cheaper. In the box you will find the OBD scanner, a USB Type-C cable, and a manual. It has a 2.8-inch colored screen with a resolution of 320 x 240 pixels. The VD30 is all black and it is pretty much lightweight and the buttons feel good. It also has separate buttons for checking the smog test and DTC. These LEDs will light up according to the DTC status of your car. You can connect this OBD2 scanner to a computer via a Type-C cable. You can transfer data, print data, and also update the firmware using the driver provided by VDIAG. Before connecting this OBD2 scanner to the car, I will show you its menu and how it looks like. Here are different icons and different things that you can do when it's connected to your car. The scanner can be used for clearing codes, getting information of your car. It also measures the voltage status of your battery and alternator. You can watch the performance of different components of your car, get live data. This little thing can provide so much information. So let's see how it performs. In my car, the OBD2 port is under the steering wheel. It's always a good thing to see the settings of an OBD2 scanner. Luckily, you can adjust the language, unit of measurements, and even get help from the settings. Now I will click the OBD2 and show you guys what kind of information can we get. Now it's searching for any diagnostic trouble codes. There were no codes found. You can directly clear the code by clicking Clear DTC. Let's see the live view data of this car. I have selected View All Items. Let's see how many data points it shows us. You can see the fuel system status, the coolant temperature, the load status. You can see the short-term, long-term fuel trim. You can see the RPM, the speed, different kinds of voltages like of the O2 sensor, the temperatures of the catalytic converter. There are so many data points that can be observed using this OBD2 scanner. You can see that how much the car has been driven after clearing a code. It gives you information about the throttle position, even the position of your pedal. Amazing. There are so many data points that can be observed. It also supports recording and saving freeze frame data. You can also see the status of the check engine light, or MIL, the malfunction indicator light. And it will show you how many codes you have or how long ago the code was cleared. You can get the information about the car, like the VIN number. You can separately see the status of the O2 sensors too. There is also an option you can see the misfires and individually see if there is a misfire happening in a cylinder or not. In my case, you can see there are 6 cylinders and there was no misfire detected. The health of the battery and the alternator can be conveniently inspected too. I like this feature very much. This scanner has a code library where you can see brief descriptions of the codes that you get while inspecting your car. The saved data in the scanner can be reviewed as well. It has a one-click smog tester. You can get information regarding this scanner by pressing the question mark. All the data recorded can be printed by connecting this OBD2 scanner to a computer. And this was all about today's review. If you liked this video, a thumbs up will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.